Let's summarize what we have seen in the demo. On the one hand, we have the WASP system, and the WASP system is where the workflows are defined by the designer, and these workflows reflect how the company will be communicating the electronic invoices. Underneath, we have various services provided by eBusiness Expert that will deal with sending, receiving, processing, validating electronic invoices, and these services are currently hosted on AWS. These workflows could be activated manually, as we have done in the demo, or they could be activated automatically via other programs. So what is the end deliverables of the project? We have a set of workflows. These workflows allow the exchange of electronic invoices, and in this particular case, we have chosen the PayPal network as it is a standard that is widely available over Europe. The eBusiness Expert API can convert invoices from any format into UBL format, and the UBL format is the format used by the PayPal network. They also provide other functions to validate invoices and handle error checking, sending them on the network, but also, as we have seen, monitor the status changes of the invoice as it goes through the network. In this case, we have chosen 2 or 3 different statuses to demonstrate the capabilities, but in multiple jurisdictions, there are a high number of status and a high number of exceptions, special cases that can be handled using this solution. Thank you.